use it to eat in and to like keep milk inside and other stuff and whatnot. But these are just for decoration, like the one that are really pretty. And look at these. They're so beautiful. And they're made out of like animal skin and just like wood. And some of it they use plastic. This is the first one. And it's like similar things, but same thing. They're so beautiful. Like these are all handmade. Like it's crazy. And they use majority of like recycled stuff and like just like natural materials. It's pretty amazing. And these, okay, if no one has, if you're Oromo, you will definitely have these. Like they're so beautiful. Like look at this. These are made with like from grass, like wheat. Yeah, these are grass. And these are all for decoration, but they have this one similar to this one that also like they use it for